Start your Autodesk Fusion 360 project with save and give it a proper name. It is considered best practice to work with components. Use the keyboard shortcut S to open up design shortcuts. Name your component and make sure that the box active is checked. Use design shortcuts to activate the canvas commando. Select the file on your computer and select a construction plane. Press OK. Find your canvas in the browser and choose Calibrate. Assign dimensions to your design and press OK. Your canvas is now scaled to your desired dimensions. Create a new sketch on the same construction plane you used when you imported your canvas. Use the line commando, and don't worry about the sharp edges. You will fix them later. And also make sure that you create a horizontal bottom so the bottle can stand properly. The blue color indicates that your sketch is closed. Your sketch is constrained to where your lines meet. You can adjust the lines and the sketch will remain closed. Finish the sketch when you are satisfied with what you see. It's not the end of the world if you change your mind later. You can edit your sketch in Fusion 360 if you need to adjust later. Activate the revolve commando. With only one option available, your profile is already selected. Select the center line as your axis and leave the angle at 360 degrees and operation as a new body operation. Use the shell commando to create a hole in your bottle. Make sure that the entire body is selected and assign a thickness to your design. Perform a section analysis on your body. Use one of the vertical construction planes as your cut plane. This will give you a good understanding of the shell commando. As you see from the section analysis, you need to open up the top of your bottle. Use extrude and perform a cut operation on the top of your bottle. Now that you have a hole, you need to make those edges smoother. You can use fillet and smoother your edges with direct modeling. Either drag or type your radius. Turn off your canvas to see better. You can select multiple edges at once when you use the fill commando. Use keyboard shortcut A to open up the appearance menu. Use the search menu to find your desired appearance. Drag and drop your appearance on selected parts of your body. Press the download arrow to download more appearances. You can select multiple sections of your design before you drag and drop your appearance. Use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+Zeta to undo your actions when you mess up. Finish with the physical material. Your appearances will override the design of the bottle on all parts where they are applied. So this will be like creating a physical material plus a base color for all parts that lack an appearance. Find a glass material and drag it onto your bottle. Well done, your bottle is finished. Subscribe to the channel and watch the playlist for more Autodesk Fusion 360 tutorials for beginners and advanced users. Also, take a look at the video's description for more information. Have a really nice day. Thank you. Bye.